Let's dive right in. Today, we're looking at a tool that is fundamentally transforming something most Web3 users do every single day. We're talking about taking your everyday Web3 trading and data activities and turning them into a highly rewarding AI-fueling experience. Our source material today details a brand new Chrome extension called Codatta Clip. We're going to unpack exactly what it is, how it works, and honestly, most importantly, how it directly benefits you. So, are you tired of manual data uploads? Look, if you've been in the Web3 space for any amount of time, I am willing to bet the answer is a resounding yes. In the ever-evolving world of Web3 data infrastructure, accurate data annotation is absolutely crucial. But traditional data submission processes, man, they are tedious. They usually require you to manually gather evidence, take screenshots, copy and paste links, and basically upload everything piece by piece. It completely breaks your flow, it eats up your valuable time, and frankly, it's a massive pain point that desperately needed solving. Gone are the days of the snail-paced old way. Codatta Clip was designed specifically to make the data submission process smoother and, well, way faster. Instead of manual screenshots and slow uploads that are just super prone to human error, Codatta Clip acts as the ultimate upgrade to your daily trading routine. It actually autofills evidence, integrates seamlessly right into your browser, and because it automates the whole capture process, it delivers extremely high accuracy. It's really all about empowering you to take control of your data completely without the headache. Here is the roadmap for today's explainer. First, the Web3 Data Challenge. Next, introducing Codatta Clip. Then we'll cover installation and rewards. After that, how to collect data. And finally, the bigger AI picture. All right, moving to part 1. Introducing Codatta Clip, your browser's new superpower. These 3 key features essentially work together to save you serious time. First up, autofill evidence. When you're doing your regular trading and you hit an address or contract worth submitting, the extension automatically captures and uploads the screenshots and links related to your submission. You literally don't even have to leave the page. And that brings us to the second feature, seamless integration. You just manage your submissions directly from whatever web page you're already on. And finally, enhanced accuracy. Since the autofill functionality takes over the heavy lifting, it seriously minimizes user errors, which basically ensures your submissions are far more likely to pass data validation on the back end. Okay, let's get into the good stuff. Part 2, installation and rewards. Getting set up to earn. Getting started is an incredibly straightforward 3-step process. First, you just visit the Chrome web store and download the Codatta Clip extension. Second, after a quick installation, log in with your Codatta credentials. Now, if you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can easily sign up through their web app. And third, you just start submitting data with a few clicks. Now, one super quick note for brand new users, before you can unlock the data submission feature, you'll just need to complete some related quest tasks over on the Codatta web app. Really simple stuff. Now, you might be wondering, why go through this process? Well, because submitting data earns you Codatta points, and as the source material explicitly states, these points are closely tied to future airdrop allocations. By streamlining your data submission, Codatta Clip isn't just saving you time, it's actively helping you position yourself for future Web3 incentives. And the crazy part is, the rewards start immediately. 100. That is the number of exclusive points you scored just for downloading the extension and logging in during their launch campaign. You don't even have to submit any data yet to get these first 100 points. Just log in. But wait, there really is more. 60. Once you make your very first data submission using Codatta Clip, you're rewarded with another 60 points, plus you earn 20 reputation. And the earning potential doesn't just stop after day 1. It's a continuous, gamified process. You can check in daily and invite your friends to download and sign up to unlock even more rewards every single day. It's just a fantastic loop of contribution and compensation. Let's look at the actual process in part 3, how to collect data, maximize your submissions. So where do you actually find this data to submit out in the wild? Well, the source outlines 3 simple methods. First, CX deposit pages. When you deposit funds via a centralized exchange's web page, the page confirms the exchange label and displays the deposit address. You just need to ensure it matches the correct network. Second, blockchain explorers. You can use tools like Etherscan to search for addresses associated with known entities, like Binance or Uniswap. And third, on-chain transactions. You can provide relevant transaction details right when you're making them. And actually, scratch that. I want to make this a massive point. You must ensure absolutely no personal information is included. The submitted data should only confirm the entity or label linked to that address. Codatta is deeply, deeply committed to personal privacy. Moving on to part 4, quick troubleshooting, seamless synchronization. If you do run into any friction, these quick tips definitely have you covered. Wondering if your accounts are linked? Yes, you can log into the Codatta Clip, the web app, and the Telegram mini app with the exact same account, and all your data synchronizes perfectly across the board. Need to open or close the extension? Just use the little purple arrow on the left side to toggle it. Oh, and if the extension won't open for some reason, the classic turn it off and on trick works perfectly. Just close your browser window and reopen it. And finally, if you check your history tab and don't see anything, it either means you haven't submitted data yet, in which case a little tutorial will play, or it'll neatly display your submission history. It really is a very robust, user-friendly setup. Okay, let's zoom out for a second for part 5. The bigger AI picture, lowering the barrier for development. I absolutely love this quote from the source material. Codatta is a universal annotation and labeling platform that turns your intelligence into AI. That is a powerful mission statement. By using Codatta Clip to easily submit high-quality data, you're actually lowering the barrier for AI development teams everywhere. You're providing them with inclusive access to quality data, which facilitates massive AI advancement. And in return, you're empowered to enjoy long-lasting rewards for your critical contributions. It's a total win-win. And this impact goes way beyond just your crypto wallet. This data is actively fueling development in crypto, sure, with account and user annotation, but it is also on track to impact healthcare, robotics, Web3 ads, and even anti-money laundering or AML initiatives. Your daily streamlines data collection is quite literally helping to build the infrastructure of tomorrow across multiple major industries. And honestly, the team at Codatta is just getting started. The source material teases some incredibly exciting future updates. They're planning to introduce an enhanced tagging experience, even deeper integration between the web app and the Telegram mini app, and they are continuously working to lower the cost of submitting valuable data, ensuring that absolutely everyone can fully benefit from these incentives and future profits. So, what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to turn your daily trading into AI advancement and future airdrops? We have seen how Codatta Clip transforms a really tedious chore into a seamless, highly rewarding experience that not only builds your Web3 portfolio, but actually fuels the future of artificial intelligence. It's a fascinating convergence of technology and incentive. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.